Dear Christopher, here is your friend Thomas the Tank Engine. He wanted to come out of his station yard and see the world. These stories tell you how he did it. I hope you will like them, because you helped me to make them. Your loving Daddy.
Hey everyone, G the Train Guy Productions here, and today I got a package. It's the Trackmaster 80th Anniversary Greatest Moments Pack Thomas. Now, before I would like to get this out of the box, I would say that this video is to honor the 25th anniversary of Thomas and the Magic Railroad. So, yeah, that's all I have to say. Alright. Let's get it out of the box. Covered in bubble wrapped. And here it is. Wow, this box looks very cool. Classic Thomas, love the name. Alright, let's take a look at the box. Yes, we do have this Thomas and two freight cars, aka troublesome trucks. Alright, and normally we would like get the all engines go, but this is a CGI version. This one, very cool. There's another CGI Thomas going up the barcode, cool. And the usual blah blah blah. There's nothing very special about it. Alright, look at the top, we got this Nitrogen Thomas. And the 80th anniversary logo. And right here is the Arc Thomas. What's very interesting is that it has three different versions. Nitrogen Thomas, Arc Thomas, and the Jam-filled Thomas. Very cool. He looks very good in the box. Alright, let's get him out. I would like to tell you that I got this from eBay last week. And there he is, out of the box. instructions here. Interesting, they use the old pictures of the Trackmaster Thomas. Yes, we do get the CGI Thomas on here, but they gotta use a different version of Thomas. Pretty interesting. Alright, let's take a look at the tank engine. Alright, the face, it's a cool face. I like it. I like this angle, where he looks at you. Pretty cute. I like how he comes with the white running board and the painted buffers. Here, let me show you the other Thomas that I got from last month. Yeah, and you may have noticed that I painted the buffers here for the old Thomas version. Look the same. Yeah. Alright. And alright. Come to the side of the side. I'm not quite sure what is this thing. I think it's supposed to be like quarry dust or something. I prefer to have it like plain, but not that. I think it's okay, I guess. And good thing we got painted buffers. But on the back, no we don't. And we got like a sticker there, which I don't mind. Wish they used the whistles, like what I said on the on the Dale Thomas version. Like it's more show accurate than previous Trackmaster Thomas. Yeah. Thomas. Yeah. Alright, let's take a look at the freight cars. Now these are the same. And the cool thing, we included the crates. Crates and boxes. Same but different colors. Pretty cool. And let's take a look at the faces. Same, but they're like have different facial expressions. Man, I love the detail. Like I like how they did it. I like how Mattel like did the rusty effects. Same thing with this one. This is the same as the Dale Thomas version. It's a pretty cool, troublesome truck, I would say. And for like Thomas, like how we have like the rivets design, it's looking more detailed with the rivets. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go put the battery in. Alright. Got the batteries. Alright. There. Alright. Thomas now has batteries. Okay, so the Thomas fans say that what they don't like is the long coupler. Like if I couple it, it's kinda a little too far. Alright, let's see if it works. Yes! Awesome. Alright. So, as I said before, this looks very similar to this Day Out with Thomas one, except that the red is on here is more bright than this one. So, alright. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So G the Train Guy Productions, signing off.